Doc, ano yung lead side ko? Lead side, yes. The purpose of lead side is for you from point A to point B, reach out. Kaso nga lang, you're using three, right? You're not generating a lot of power, but you are moving. Okay? This allows you to move forward, backwards, side, side. At dahil wala tayong lakas, you need to reach out. You're not gonna rely on this leg. Sabihin ko na kayo ulit ha. You're gonna rely on this leg. If you're gonna do this stance fighting, you're gonna rely on this leg. Ito magagaling na lakas. I want to reach out, hindi magagaling ito. Ito magagaling. You really have to structure your body forward. So much so that if I want to kick, it's the same principle. Okay? Isisipa ko, ihit ko. Hinakpan ko kanina, ihakpan ko, pero bikit ko. Right? Now what is this for? Again, you can't have it all. This allows you to move forward and back, side to side. But you're not generating power. That's okay. Because next time natin naman yung power. But this implies that if I want to make sure that my power is achieved, I need to get here to there. Kasi kung may power ako at wala ka, sayang lang. So what are we gonna do? I-inspire lang nila. I-check ko na agad. Okay? All the attacks is here. And because this is inspiring, presence of mind. If your combination tells you to do a straight, huwag muna. Presence of mind. Pwede ka magpalit. Dahil mamaya, may oras tayo para lang dyan. Presence of mind muna. Hindi kailangan malakas, pero kailangan matikas. Kaya mo mag-implement ng mga training, go, kabilang, puso. Okay? Basta importante yung family talagang mataas. Kung mataas ko, pag sinubukan niya yung family out yung kamay, hindi basa-basa. Right? You're gonna practice family now. Once you've enabled yourself with double underhooks, ang goal natin is to shift level. Okay? Pwede kang naka-squat, pwede kang nakaluhod. Basta importante, mangyayari lang yan pag na-clear ko na to, baba, ayan, buwas TJP. Tatakbusin ba? Hindi muna. Pero importante nandito ako hanggang Panggalang. Right? Pwede naka-squat, pwede nakaluhod, basta ikaw ang bahala, basta ang importante. 1, tenga sa bewang. 2, kamay sa leg. Kaya yung mag-table foot. 3, yung puwet, naka-out. Itatapusin, bangga. Okay? Balikan natin ha. Kunwari, nagpapabal kami ni TJP. Nauna ko siya. Yan, ginalagyan ko ng discard. Tikulo. Shoot na ako, tuhod. Kailang. Mag-trip. Basta bago natin i-finish, pommel right, pommel first, yung technique. Kung usapan naman ng escaping, I need to pommel my arm out. Hindi yan, and he knows what he's doing, hindi yan basta-basta makakapasok. I would have to squirm. Now squirming involves me shifting my body from here to the side. Because if I try to squirm with my back flat on the ground, kalaban ko itong side. Yung iba nakaka-squirm ng ganun lang. Fine, pero baka hindi maganda mag-secure na. Kung maganda pag-secure na, I really have to go use my legs. Sometimes I have to dig in and use my elbow muna para makagilid. You're not yet safe, but this space, this inch, allows you to shift your arm. Safe pa ako? Hindi pa rin. Until I can fully commit to this. Okay? Yung principle to ha. So kahit gano'n kahintip man, I can still do it. Like out. So the work that we'll be doing is we're gonna keep on sliding, and to get out. Partner na nasa taas, you only have one objective. I'm gonna give you 3 minutes. Stay there. Pound. Other partner, takas. Takas. Basic na, di ba? Basic. Pero you know what? Basic works. Basic with strides.